Welcome to AI Chat. Whether you're a newbie or website owner, managing a WordPress site can be time-consuming and challenging. But fear not, because artificial intelligence is here to help you.
With AI, you can automate various tasks on your WordPress website, saving you tons of time and simplifying.
First, let's talk about content management. With AI, you can generate high-quality blog posts, articles, and product descriptions in a matter of minutes. Imagine having an AI assistant that understands your brand's voice and creates content that captivates your audience. Say goodbye to writer's block and welcome AI-powered content creation.
Absolutely. AI can significantly enhance the relevance of your content by analyzing user behavior, preferences, and interactions. This data can be used to create personalized content that resonates with your target audience, increasing engagement and conversion rates. For instance, AI can analyze the types of content that users interact with most frequently and use this information to suggest similar content that they might find interesting. This can help to keep users engaged with your brand and encourage them to take desired actions, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter.
Moreover, AI can also improve the quality of your content by identifying and correcting errors, suggesting improvements, and ensuring that your content is optimized for search engines. This can help to increase the visibility of your content and attract more traffic to your website. This can free up more time for your team to focus on strategic tasks, such as developing new marketing campaigns or exploring new market opportunities. In conclusion, AI can be a powerful tool for enhancing the relevance and quality of your content, personalizing user experiences, and improving the efficiency of your content creation processes.
Around 810 million websites use WordPress as of 2023. This represents around 43% of all websites. And that figure is growing rapidly. As a world marketing leader, I believe that embracing AI can provide a significant competitive advantage in today's digital marketplace.
Next, let's focus on site optimization. AI has suddenly become such a big deal. AI can analyze your website's data and suggest improvements to boost your site's performance and SEO. From keyword suggestions to page speed optimizations, AI ensures your WordPress site is always at its best. It's like having an expert web developer and SEO specialist at your hand. 1. Keyword research and optimization. AI tools can analyze huge amounts of data for your life and business. Let's search 10 best AI tools. These tools leverage AI to enhance productivity, improve skills, and streamline various tasks in different fields. They can also suggest long-tail keywords that are less competitive but can drive significant traffic to your website.
It can suggest popular topics, analyze your content, and even improvements. AI can also optimize existing content by identifying gaps and suggestions. Please watch my previous videos about the top 1 blog writing. 3. Technical SEO. AI can be used to identify technical issues on your website that may affect its performance, such as broken links, slow loading pages, and issues with mobile optimization.
4. User experience optimization. It can suggest changes to improve navigation, page layout, and other elements that can enhance the user experience and increase engagement. 5. Conversion rate optimization. AI can analyze user behavior and conversion paths to identify what's working and what's not. It can suggest changes to improve conversion rates.